Hi, it's hey everyone. My name is Quiara with the QQIARA and this is my partner Happy. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to my channel and please do hit the subscribe button down below. So for today's video, we will be talking about succulents and cactus, garden plants, and indoor plants. If you haven't watched my part 1 yet, edible plants, please do watch that first kasi nandun ang aking previous experiments, ang aking motivations, and ang aking introductions. Or please do watch the part 1 and the part 2 flowers later. Kahit later na lang, kahit after na tong video nito kasi nandun ang aking previous experiments. So, kasi kapag beginner ka, magsisimula ka sa succulents at saka sa indoor plants. And in my case, nagsimula ako sa succulents at saka sa cactus. And ang first halaman na binili ko is yung cactus. And sasabihin ko sa inyo, namamatay talaga sila. Although na alam kong first, pang beginner plants sila, perfect sila pang beginner plants. And namamatay sila. Pero hindi naman ako nawawalan ng pag-asa. Bumibili na lang ulit ako. Since mura pa naman yung succulents noon. Like, 40 pesos, makakabili ka na ng halaman. And yung paso nun is parang 20 lang. So, parang 35 pa nga yung succulents eh. Tapos 15 yung paso. Ewan ko kung after nun, nagsimula, bumili ulit ako sa may jelly beans. Yung jelly beans naman is napapansin ko, ang tumagal siya sa akin ng mga ilang buwan. And after ng ilang buwan is, nakikita ko na rin, nagpo-fall off, tapos nag-rot siya sa ilalim. Since feeling ko, na overwater ko, yun yung hindi mo dapat gagawin sa succulents, is yung i-overwater sila kasi nag-rot yung ilalim, yung stem. At pag yun nag-rot, is wala na siyang, may pag-asa siya, pero parang 50-50% na lang siya. So, hanggang sa nagtampo na sa akin yung mga succulents and napaisip ako, like, nalungkot rin ako and bumaba ang aking self-confidence and sinabi ko, like, ano bang meron sa akin? Kulang ba ako? Hindi ba ako marunong mag-alaga? May touch of death ba ako? Kasi bakit lahat ng hinahawakan ko namamatay na halaman? Don't get me wrong, na halaman. Touch of death sa halaman. And then, hanggang sa na-realize ko, hanggang sa nagdidilig na lang ako ng halaman. And please always do not overwater the plants. Since rainy season naman ngayon, and dapat nahagya na lang yung mga dilig sa mga halaman. Hanggang sa nakilala ko tong this baby right here. This is a type of succulents. It's called Mother of Thousands. And for me, it symbolizes maternity, propagation, and fertility. Kasi ang bilis niya mag-propagate. I will be discussing Mother of Thousands more later. So, these are my babies right here. Pero love ko silang pareho, hindi ako mamimili. So, I hope you will watch this video to the end. And without further ado, let's start and let's begin the tour. Let me introduce you to the Mother of Thousands. You notice that there are small plantlets on the edges of the leaves that looks like a butterfly landing. Once you pull that plantlet off the leaf, it will not develop anymore. But mind you, there are new small leaves growing, which means there are new plantlets. These plantlets continue to grow as time passes by. For example, from this one, into this one, and into that one. This is a pot 1 before, and pot 2 is where I propagate the plantlets. And after several weeks, here is the pot 1 and pot 2 after. And look, she is now a mother. And whenever there is a vacant soil, I will just put them on a soil just like this. And eventually, they will grow after. And even though they are small, they will still have their own babies. Imagine this started from a tiny little plantlet. And I transferred it to a larger pot. And eventually, she is now growing. And after several weeks, she is now bearing her own plantlets and my baby is having her own babies. In order to plant these little plantlets, first thing you should do is pick them up carefully, ready your soil, place them with distance from each other and carefully mix them. They will soon develop roots just like the photo. Place them on a light and shady area but no direct sunlight.
So, hi, good morning everyone. I just woke up, wala pang lamos yan, and I've opened my window. Makikita kung aking Propagate, no mother of thousands. So, eto siya. So, yan yung mga tinanim ko or mga Propagate ko. Tingnan mo, may mga tumitilaok pang manok. So, wala po ako sa probinsya. Nasa Manila po ako.
I propagated some so I can place plants near my window. I place them in a small pot so they will remain small. If you don't want them to get bigger, so place them in a small pot just like this. Here is a Sedum Adolphi which pretty much needs sunlight, so I will be transferring them soon. This ends the Succulent 1 video. Now, let us proceed to the Succulent 2, which is the aloe vera. I will be putting some more soil and fertilizer. The fertilizer, I will use eggshell, banana peel, and charcoal. I will be transferring the baby aloe vera so they won't be getting any too crowded. So here they are after several weeks. Aloe veras are very helpful, so there will be no more dry hair, no more dry skin, and I often pick the aloe vera leaves to moisturize my face and my skin. I found out that aloe vera are used as a sinkers on milk tea, and you can make juice out of aloe vera. Aloe vera is essential and has a lot of benefits, so it is a big yes if you will plant one at your home. The Zanzibar gem is considered a wonderful indoor plant because of the fact that it is tolerant of neglect. The thick, leathery leaves of the Zanzibar gem are shiny and attractive in a pot. When growing wild, this plant survives drought by seemingly dying off, and then, once the rain comes, it can resprout from its deep underground tubers. It is often referred to as ZZ plant for short. Welcome to the terrace garden area. We have purslane right here which blooms a very beautiful flower. Money tree, put ribbon on the stem. Mother of thousands, and that is a bell pepper right there. This is the one I showed you a while ago, and a 4 o'clock flower plant, gumamela plant. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks very beautiful with its yellow and green leaves. Here is a flaming katy. The flaming katy is a succulent plant that blooms small tubular flowers. Here is a curtain fig plant. Long-term lack of sunlight will cause the leaves to fall, so place it outdoors. Here is a neon philodendron. The care is simple as the plant can readily adapt to any indoor environment. Here is a spreading air plant. It has a unique leaves with spiky edges. This is the main mother of thousands where I get those little plantlets. And money tree. And who among from you experienced the drink oregano extract when you have a cold or a cough? Do you like the taste? Please comment down below. The stems of a silver dollar vine have climbing tendrils. It requires a lot of light. The leaves are regularly elliptic. Here is a dragon tree. It is said to have a good air purifying qualities. Here is a dollar weed. Dollar weeds are so cute, it looks like a mini umbrella. Golden photos is one of the most popular houseplants in the world. It is also known as devil's ivy because it is impossible to kill. Golden photos is easy to propagate and it is highly decorative. So here we also have fortune plant and money tree. The money tree is also called the good luck tree and is an age-old token of good luck and an invitation to good fortune. Also, these are one of the top 3 plant species for air purification. Snake plants purifies air by absorbing toxins in their leaves and producing pure oxygen. It is also known as mother's-in-law tongue. Here is a jade plant. Don't just serve as visually appealing, but also as a major catalyst to purifying air, and a neon philodendron that is perfect for our homes and offices and environment in general. I like indoor plants. It is a good ambience to your home. It boosts mood and productivity, reduces stress and fatigue, clean indoor air by absorbing toxins, increasing humidity, and producing oxygen. Cylindrical snake plants has a long tubular leaf which you can braid. Here is a blue myrtle cactus.
So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope I really motivate you to do some gardening, because gardening for me is not only just a hobby. Gardening makes us uplifting, exciting, and it is stress relieving. And gardening is not only just a hobby because it is good for your mental health, it boosts your immune system, and of course it's a light workout. So maybe if you can, start gardening later, tomorrow, or now. Drop your cell phones and start gardening now. And please do hit that like button and subscribe button down below. Yan, click niyo yung subscribe button dyan sa baba. And please do visit my channel. You are always welcome to my channel. And please do watch my cooking videos as well. And my part 1, edible plants. And part 2, flowers. So, bye. This ends my video for today. So, bye. See you on my next video.